Now, when you're done with your modeling, or even before that, usually very frequently, maybe a couple of times a day even, or whenever you're done modeling an important part of the structure, it's always a good idea to do a clash check, because you don't want to get too far into the modeling and then eventually realize that you've got too many clashes which have built up. So it's a good idea to regularly do clash checks. Now, the way to do clash checks in COMOSYS is to basically select whatever part you need to be checked. So if you just done this part over here, you could just go and select like that and do right click and say clash check. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the whole thing. I'm going to select the whole project over here, the whole structure over there. Right click and I say clash check. When I do that, this little window, the clash check manager window appears, and there's this run button. So it hasn't done the clash check yet. I'll need to click on the run button to actually make it do the clash check. Now, when I do that, you see that it does it very, very quickly. This is one of the features of COMOSYS, that clash checks are done really fast. And once you've got the clash checks done, you will get a list of the clashes in the form of separate rows at the bottom over here. And if you wanted to check any one of those, you could select that one, and you could either say inspect, in which case it will take you to that particular clash, and then you could actually go in and see. So this is the checkered plate or the diamond plate clashing with the handrail post over there. And then once you say inspect, you've got this little extra window open over there as well. And you can basically you can move through these arrows. It'll basically move you, it'll take you forward along this list. So if you press the next arrow, it's going to take you to the next one. So basically it's the same one again, or it's a different one at another location. Go to another one, and there's a little clash over there. So this is a very convenient way of finding out where your clashes are, and then you can, of course, sort them out by modifying the model.